How to download and install Chase Bank mobile app on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. So to download the application, firstly make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. And now go ahead and open App Store on your device. Tap on the search bar there and search for Chase mobile app, and then tap on the Chase option. Now, if you have previously downloaded the application, you will see the download button with little cloud-like icon. So tap on that for the download to begin, and if you have not downloaded the application previously, you will see the Get button. So go ahead and tap on the Get button and enter your Face ID or Apple ID password for the download to begin. Wait for the download to complete, and once downloaded, launch the application by simply tapping on the Open option you see there, and this is how you can download Chase mobile app on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.